Alright, so we're back. So, sanding along here, sanding along the edges of the Bondo and the paint. It's pretty smooth. I can see like right in here, I didn't get quite enough Bondo. So, there's some pits there when it comes to this part. Because if you remember, there was a gouge like here and a gouge like here. Courtesy of that thing, if you could see that right there. Yeah, it's got an angry two-prong thing that holds my gate. It really did a kind of a weird attack on the car. So it hit it like right here and like right here. So in the middle here is where it's supposed to be, and you can see, I don't know if you can see that, but it's lower here just a little bit. And then right along in here, over here, it's nice and smooth. Up in here, it's nice and smooth where my fingers are. A little bit of waviness right in here. The dent went kind of up in here a little bit. So I think I need to, down in here, smooth, nice. So just running my hand over it, I can feel like right in here, a little bit low. Right, even nice in here, and then down in here, a little bit low right here. So I think what I'm going to need to do is put a little bit more Bondo in here and right along in here, because when I'm running the sander over and it's square, obviously it's not hitting this in the middle, so that tells me just that it's a little bit lower in the middle here than it is on the sides, because hitting this up, it's like hitting up here and here and like right here and here, but it's not getting in the middle here. So to keep it, to try and get it nice and smooth, you know, I'm not a professional. I just don't want to pay, you know, $1,000 at an auto body shop. So this is basically $20 of Bondo and a couple rattle cans. I already had the sander and all that stuff, so I mean, I just want to basically prevent it from rusting and make it look kind of nice, and yeah, basically keep it from rusting and not look horrible. I'm not looking to resell this car or anything. I think it's blue books for like $4K anyway, so, and by the time I get my use out of it, it's not going to be worth, you know, anything probably. So at any rate, I'm gonna clean this, wipe this all down, soap, water, get this all clean, and then I'm gonna apply Bondo again in here, probably just like all along in this area, and a little bit more like maybe like right in here. So I probably don't need a whole lot. I can feel it's just in there just a little bit. So that's what we're gonna do. We'll be back. Looks like I need to hit this with a sander a little bit here. Smooth that out. You can kind of tell where the dust gathers in thickness. You can kind of tell there's a spot there, so that helps you. So, and when it looks like this, it's kind of blended in. I can't really feel along here. It's really smooth. So I think when it blends like that and there's no dust like clinging to it, that tells you that that's a smooth surface right there. So yeah, so I'm gonna go ahead and hit this part with a sander, and then I'm probably gonna Bondo in there again. So we'll be back. I'm gonna wash all this down after I sand this a little bit, and then I'll apply Bondo again. So we'll be back.